Wheeled backpacks have become increasingly popular among students, professionals, and frequent travelers who want the flexibility of carrying or rolling their gear with ease. Whether you're commuting, heading to class, or catching a flight, these versatile bags reduce strain while maximizing convenience. Although this guide traditionally evaluates factors like switch type and layout for keyboards, here we instead focus on storage capacity, build quality, wheel performance, comfort. Product number 1. Mateen Rolling Backpack 17-inch water-resistant wheeled laptop backpack. The Mateen Rolling Backpack is one of the most versatile wheeled backpacks available for students, business professionals, and travelers. Designed with a spacious 17-inch laptop compartment, it provides excellent protection for larger laptops while offering plenty of room for books, clothing, chargers, and travel essentials. Its water-resistant polyester exterior helps protect your belongings from light and everyday spills, making it a dependable choice for daily commuting. The smooth rolling wheels and sturdy telescoping handle allow you to move effortlessly through airports, campuses, and office buildings. When rolling isn't practical, the padded shoulder straps tuck away neatly, transforming it into a comfortable backpack. Multiple organizer pockets keep accessories neatly arranged, while reinforced corners improve durability in high wear areas. Although the bag is slightly heavier than standard backpacks because of its wheel system, its durability and generous storage capacity easily justify the extra weight. Product number 2. Rolling Backpack for Women. Travel backpack with wheels. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, the Rolling Backpack for Women offers an attractive solution for professionals, students, and travelers. Its elegant appearance makes it suitable for business meetings, while still providing the practicality needed for daily use. The dual opening design allows quick access to the main compartment from different angles, making packing and unpacking remarkably convenient. A dedicated padded laptop sleeve protects your computer, while multiple compartments organize documents, cosmetics, chargers, clothing, and travel accessories. The rolling system features durable wheels that glide smoothly across airports, sidewalks, and train stations. The telescoping handle extends comfortably, and the padded shoulder straps allow easy carrying whenever stairs or uneven terrain make rolling difficult. Its under-seat-friendly dimensions make it ideal for overnight business trips and weekend travel, although heavy overpacking may slightly reduce rolling comfort. Product number 3. Luggage 50L Rolling Backpack with Wheels, 18-inch carry-on. The Luggage 50L Rolling Backpack combines impressive storage capacity with airline-friendly dimensions, making it an outstanding travel companion. With a generous 50-liter capacity, it easily accommodates clothing, electronics, shoes, toiletries, and travel accessories, while remaining suitable for many airline carry-on requirements. Its water-resistant exterior protects belongings during unpredictable weather, while reinforced stitching ensures excellent long-term durability. The dedicated laptop compartment securely holds larger laptops, and multiple zippered pockets simplify organization. The heavy-duty wheels roll smoothly over airport terminals, sidewalks, and hotel floors. When necessary, padded backpack straps provide comfortable carrying for stairs or crowded spaces. The retractable handle feels sturdy and extends to a comfortable height for most users. Despite its large capacity, the backpack remains surprisingly manageable and offers exceptional value for travelers seeking maximum versatility. Product number 4. Luggage 50L Rolling Backpack with Wheels Travel Edition. Another excellent option from Luggage, this 50L rolling backpack focuses on convenience, organization, and travel efficiency. Its spacious interior easily accommodates multiple days' worth of clothing while maintaining a compact carry-on profile suitable for many airlines. The thoughtfully designed compartments include padded laptop protection, mesh storage pockets, document organizers, and dedicated spaces for chargers and travel accessories. The premium rolling system operates quietly while maintaining excellent stability over various surfaces. Comfortable shoulder straps allow users to convert from rolling luggage to backpack mode whenever necessary, offering flexibility during crowded commutes or stairways. Water-resistant materials further increase reliability for outdoor travel. While similar to other rolling travel backpacks, Luggage distinguishes itself through attractive styling, practical organization, and dependable build quality. Product number 5. JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. The JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack combines the trusted quality of JanSport with practical rolling functionality. Built for students and commuters, this backpack features a dedicated padded sleeve that securely protects laptops up to 15 inches, while leaving ample room for textbooks, notebooks, and personal items. Its durable polyester construction withstands years of classroom and travel use, while corner-mounted wheels provide stable rolling across hallways, sidewalks, and airports. The telescoping handle retracts smoothly, and padded shoulder straps offer comfortable carrying when rolling isn't practical. Several organizational compartments keep school supplies and electronics easily accessible, while the front utility pocket stores smaller essentials. Although the storage capacity is slightly smaller than Travel Focus models, its lighter weight and dependable construction make it an excellent everyday backpack.
Product number 6. High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack. The High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack is engineered for durability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Featuring a padded laptop compartment, spacious main storage area, and multiple organizer pockets, it easily accommodates work, school, or travel essentials. The molded kick plate protects the bottom of the backpack from abrasion, while corner guards increase overall durability during frequent rolling. Smooth inline skate wheels deliver excellent mobility on sidewalks, airports, and school campuses. Its telescoping handle locks securely into position, and the padded shoulder straps provide comfortable backpack functionality whenever rolling is inconvenient. Compression straps help stabilize heavier loads, improving carrying comfort. The slightly larger dimensions provide excellent storage without becoming overly bulky, making it one of the most balanced wheeled backpacks available.